Hi all, let's check another question. In triangle ABC, the measure of angle B is 90 degree, BC is equal to 16 and AC is equal to 20 centimeter. Okay. Triangle DEF is similar to triangle ABC where vertices DE and F correspond to vertices A, B and C respectively. And each side of the triangle DEF is 1 by third to the length of the corresponding side of triangle ABC. And our question is, what is the value of sine F? So many things are given here and we have to find sine F. Okay. So what do you have to do first? First, we need to identify the right triangle, right? So what will be the triangle we have to use here? So they have clearly mentioned that angle B, right? Angle B is equal to 90 degree, which means it's a right angled triangle, right? So our triangle will look like this, right? Okay, so if this is A and this is B and this is C, so if you take this as our triangle ABC, so here we have a 90 degree, right? This is our 90 degree angle B. Then BC is equal to 16 and AC is equal to 20. Okay, so this is what provided. Okay. So our hypotenuse is AC, right? So AC is equal to 20 and the side BC is equal to 60, right? So we have to find the remaining side, that is AB. So what equation will you use here? We'll use the Pythagoras theorem, right? So according to the Pythagorean theorem, we can use the formula AB square plus BC square is equal to AC square, right? Now you can substitute the given values. So we don't know AB square, right? So let's keep it just like that. AB square is equal to 16 square AB square plus, okay, equal to 20 square, right? Again, let's write AB as it is. AB square plus 16 square will be equal to 256. 256 equal to 20 square will be 400, right? Now we can rearrange the values, right? So we can keep AB square is equal to 400 minus 256, right? That will give you 144. Now you can take the root, right? So what is root 144? That will be 12, right? So AB is equal to 12. So the three sides of the triangle ABC are 12, 16 and 20, right? We got this one as 12. So what do you have to do now? Now we have to find sine C. Okay, let's find sine C. So for angle C, okay, for angle C, how will you find it? How will you find sine C? So sine C is equal to, what will you write for equation? We will write opposite side by hypotenuse, right? That is sine. So our opposite side is AB, right? AB by, and our hypotenuse, that is AC. Okay, AB by AC. Now you can substitute the values. That is 12 by 20, right? 20, which is equal to, you can cut down. So that will be equal to 3 by 5. Okay. So now you got sine C is equal to 3 by 5. Okay. Now using the property of similar triangle. So similar triangles have some properties, right? So by using that, we have to find the remaining part of the question. Okay. So now let's go to the triangle DEF. Okay, now we are considering the triangle DEF. Okay, so in triangle DEF, it is a similar triangle to like triangle ABC, right? And angle F correspond to angle C. So it is given that angle F is correspond to angle C. So similar triangles have equal corresponding angles, right? So similar triangles, right? The similar triangles have equal corresponding angles. So the corresponding angles will be equal, right? Equal corresponding angle. Corresponding angles. Okay, which means angle F is equal to angle C, right? So therefore, we can write sine F will be equal to sine C, which we have already got it as 3 by 5, right? Which is equal to 3 by 5. So you have to notice that the scale factor of 1 by 3 changes only the side length, not the angles. So this is given to confuse you, right? So it won't affect the angles or trigonometric ratios. Okay. So the final answer will be 3 by 5. Okay. I hope it is clear for you. Thanks for watching.